Alright, quick. Do you have an electric ratchet, such as this Milwaukee, that when you press the trigger, you can hear it spinning, but the anvil itself doesn't spin? Or in my case, it did spin. It would catch and then release, catch and release, but it wouldn't spin normally. So what you have to do is take out this anvil. It sticks out through there, right? And you have a snap ring that holds it in place. What you do is you take it out. There's going to be 4 little pistons in these holes with springs. Like these guys. Those are the pistons. And those are the springs. And what happens is that those pistons, they get seized with grease inside those cylinders. And then they don't come out. And the job of those pistons right there is to transfer the rotational speed of that little dowel right there that spins. It spins clockwise, and it converts that to rotational movement perpendicular to the original. So what you do is just take it off. It's pretty intuitive, just to keep track of all the parts and keep it in a place where if they do shoot out, they'll fall in place. Clean them out with brake cleaner. Reinstall into those holes. I broke it all down apart because I'm gonna clean it off with brake cleaner and then re-grease it, re-oil it. But yeah, every single part, every single spring here is going to get cleaned and reassembled, and this should work properly. I'm going to go ahead and do all that and then reassemble it and show you how it works. Alright, once you get the anvil pretty much fully assembled, cleaned up, it should look a little bit like this. All those little springs and pistons are back in place. Some oil, I put a lot more oil than I needed, but that's because I'm going to drain it afterwards with a paper towel. But like that's how it should look. So let me finish putting it back up. I just got a couple more parts to clean up and then put a little bit of oil and put it back together. Alright, after it's all said and done, it should look like this. I'll put it back together. Let me get a battery in there. Alright, with the battery fully installed. It works. I used to not grab like that. So that's it, guys. You can fix it, don't throw it away, and good luck.